folks, welcome back to the Backyard Railroader. Today I want to do a review on the Piko track cleaning car. I know I did the unboxing of it, and now that I've had it for a while I figured I'd do a little review. And one major thing I found about the Piko is if you don't get rechargeable batteries, you're going to go through a lot of batteries. So, show you what I've been doing with it so far. I've learned that the track cleaning pads, you can actually replace them yourself. What I did was I used the drywall screen that you can buy, and I cut it down to size, and then they pull apart very carefully. There's clips. You don't want to break the clips off, but you just unclip it and take it apart. Put the new piece in and clip it back together. And it seems pretty easy. Here you can see the little end pieces, and they just clip apart. And then you just put them back on the bottom of the Piko train and you're good to go. And there's one there that I've already done, and that one's got to be done, so you can see the difference in the two. But yeah, I'll just put that one in its place and it should be good to go. Now with this Piko train, I've actually a few places, like I don't know where my horns went that were on the top. My bell's still there. This is still here. I lost one of the railings. Again, I don't know where the heck that one went. That's okay. It does a great job. I actually use it in conjunction with my track cleaning car. I pull the car around with this little train and have them both clean at the same time. It works pretty good. I like it. And so yeah, that's all I really got to say about it. It is a nice little unit. Yes, it does look like a toy, but I don't care because it's got a job and it's doing it. So it's not the fastest unit. It's a little slow, but again, I don't mind. I just let it go around while I'm doing other things on the railway. And I added my little Canadian sticker on the back there. I'd love to kit bash it, maybe make it part of my TH&B fleet. But until then, I think I'll put it on the track and start cleaning.